Hi there, Samantha. My name is Marcy Hutton, and I spoke with the answering service earlier today. She said that this was the best email to send off this short custom video that I'm shooting for you guys today, where I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, you're probably asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, the answer to that is when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit, and sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I found is that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and saying, look, I don't have time for that. Please do it for me. So if by the end of the video you liked what you've heard, you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take these free tips and do them yourself, that works for me as well. So the 3 things, I'm going to try to keep this real short, the 3 things that I'm going to go over quickly are content, backlinks, and citations. So by content, what I'm referring to is the information that you have throughout your website, specifically the homepage when it comes to being found for the search here. Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on the homepage. So you can see you do have an opportunity to add a fair bit of content there in order to help them find you. The reason for this is when a site hits the web, Google's going to go out there, they're going to crawl it, and what they're trying to figure out is what information has just been added to the web. When it's in the case of a business and a service, they want to know all of the services that you offer, and they want to know which location, where it is that you're offering these services. So of course you guys have got new builds, you've got custom homes, renovations, kitchens, baths, specifically home improvements. So that is all good up here. You see where it's named, that helps Google to find you. Now, more words of content, how that works out is, they're out there crawling and they've got one site that's got a couple hundred words of content on the homepage and another one that's got 1,500. They will see the one with 1,500 words of content as being the expert. So they're going to therefore put them higher in the search results than the next. So as I said, definitely have some room to get some, added content to this that's going to help to make you more visible. Next, I'll go to citations. What a citation is it is a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number listed. So in Yellow Pages, 411, Yelp listing, there's literally thousands of directories. So the more places that your business is cited in various directories throughout the web, then Google's crawling, sees you all over the place. It shows them that, it lets them know that you are legit. Now the second, and why I'm bringing this up in here, benefit to you is if you go ahead and beat all of your competitors, have your business cited in more directories than them, then eventually what that's going to do is push you up higher in the search results for this center section, this map section, Google My Business listing. Statistics show that probably about 50% of the clicks are going to these 3 businesses that are showing up in the map section on the first page of the search here, so it's a great place to be. And that's one of the things that carries the most weight in getting you into one of those positions, is to be having your business listed in more citations than the rest. So that's something that you can do there. And then the third place I'm going is the backlinks. What I've done is I've taken this first business here that's showing up. The search term that I used today was Construction Companies Vancouver. So of course we could have, when you go specifically to Renovations Vancouver or Kitchen Renovations, then different results are going to show up in who's showing up on the first page. Unless they're fully optimized and done the best they can, then, best case scenario, you're showing up on the first page of the search for all of your search terms. Anyways, I used him to have a comparison. You have a pretty strong backlink profile here, and to just help you to understand what a backlink is. A backlink is a link from a third-party site on the internet back to your site. So how does this benefit you? How to explain this in the simplest terms is if you think of the internet as a big popularity contest, and that kind of makes sense when I go to the citations. When you've got more citations than everybody else, then Google sees you as the popular one. And then in this case, If you have more links back to your site, so when another site votes for you, aka links to you, Google's going to push you higher in the results. So this tool is showing me that you have. Now, before I go further though, with backlinks, not all links are created equal, and this is probably going to be a good example of that. Not all links are created equal. You want to, quality is going to win over quantity every time, meaning that you want to have your links coming from credible sites, sites that have more weight, more power than yours, because then that's going to trickle down into you. Sites that are relevant to what it is that you do, sites that Google trusts. So this tool is showing me that you have 462 other websites on the internet that are linking back to yours, giving you 3,500 average here backlinks, that you're being found for 900 organic keywords, and that you're getting roughly 250 unique visitors clicking, finding your site on the internet and clicking on your site. Now, if we compare that to that one that was ranking there on the first page of the search, he has 169 referring domains, giving him just 610 backlinks. They're being found for almost 300 keywords, organic keywords, but he's getting just over 400 visits, so a little bit more on the volume of visitors to his site, and that's really just from showing up on the first page, which in turn is having stronger backlinks and probably more dialed in content, more specific to the keywords that it is that your keywords and key phrases that your potential customers would be typing in. So I'm going to leave it at that. As promised, I don't like to go too long on these. I know everybody's busy. Just kind of give you an overview of the things that you can do in order to make your site more visible. So I'm going to send this off to you. I will follow up and make sure that it was received and everybody had a chance to take a look at it. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. Love to hear your feedback. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.